back to the creek. Children. Come on, let's do one more.
I guess the water's pretty cold, huh?
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
Molly? Molly? Come this way, Molly. Molly, come. Molly. There you go. Good girl.
Got it.
I think she's tired.
Good girl, Molly. Yay, Molly.
Hey, Molly. Ooh, Molly, it's all right. Good girl.
Take a trip back to the creek.
Sure. Not with Rosio, though. Let me get Rosio in the house.
Okay.